One of the common questions I see about Cash App is what bank does it use, or what is the partner bank? Cash App is a full service banking and investing app. It has a cash balance, savings, Bitcoin, stocks, paychecks. You can do your taxes, there's a card to spend your balance and get discounts, and you can do peer-to-peer payments. So it pretty much does it all, everything a banking or investing app can do. And a lot of people, when they're trying to set up something like the paychecks, they need to know what the partner bank is. So when they put in that information, the account number, the routing number, it's gonna ask for a few things, including the bank. And you can always tap on account and routing in the top right, and it'll give you that information here. And if you scroll down, it'll list two banks as well. But if you're setting up this information, the bank that you want to use is Sutton Bank. So it'll probably ask for your routing number, your account number, and your bank. And just make sure you put in Sutton Bank. And you should be good to go to start receiving payments or direct deposits here in Cash App. You can see I've been receiving payments here for a few months now, and it's working well for me. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.